Okay, this is the new brand that we just brought in. This is the Honey Badger knives. This one is from South Africa. Honey Badger is a South African company. Their knife not too bad. Look at their design. It's mostly FRN handles. FRN is fiber reinforced nylon. So the good thing about this is crack resistant, waterproof, won't rust, and it's a lot lighter. And then fiber reinforced nylon means won't compared to my kata, all those can absorb water, this one won't. So very smooth opening, means very precise. Alignment all quite perfect. Look at it, it's all perfectly straight. Nothing wrong with this manufacturing at all. I like all this deep pocket carry all the time. Every time you all ask me about knife, I say must have this kind of deep pocket carry. Don't stick out of your pocket when you put it inside your pocket. So most of their design is like the spider claw kind, is one thumb opening like this. So it'll be legal in most countries. What else to say about this? Oh, the special model, it will be this one. Everybody asking for a safety knife. The full serrated safety knife now have already. I saw it on their catalog. Wow, this one, what you all wanted for your work use. Because you can cut through rope, cut through cardboard, all those things very easily. They're not scared you stab people with it. No pointy end. This is a drop down type. So very easy to use, very clean, very well built, should I say. Not those anyhow made one. Honey Badger. You can see all on our website, the details.